Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this look. I actually used two products from Smudge. Smudge is available at Click stores. This is a powder and this is their foundation. I've tried these products for like a good 2 to 3 weeks now, and I really like them, and I'll tell you guys why I like these products on the tutorial. Let's go to the tutorial so that you guys can find out. Enjoy. So firstly, I apply my Maybelline primer to improve coverage and to make sure that my makeup lasts all day. The Maybelline primer is available at Clicks and discount stores. Then I'll be using the Smudge foundation. You need to shake this foundation very well before use, guys. I'll be mixing my foundation with the LA Girl BB cream because Smudge does not have my exact shade, and since I have sensitive skin, it's a bit dry for me, so the BB cream helps with the moisture and getting the right shade. When it comes to applying foundation, I just love using my fingers, but you guys can feel free to use a foundation brush or a beauty blender. The Smudge brand is available at all Click stores at a very affordable price. You will die when you find out how much this costs because it's actually less than 100 rand. What I totally love about this foundation is that it has got medium coverage and it also feels very light on the skin. I love foundations that are light on the skin because I don't like feeling like I'm wearing makeup, so I don't like heavy foundations, so this is just perfect for me. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Warm Honey to highlight my face. So I apply it underneath my eyes. The bridge of my nose, my forehead, and of course my chin. I then use a setting spray to make my beauty blender a bit damp so it does not absorb the concealer, and then I start blending everything. Don't be afraid to take your time when blending in the concealer to the foundation. Remember guys, how you blend your products together can either make or break your look. So take your time when blending. Guys, please remember that when you are buying a concealer, take a concealer that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than you. I'm using Color Loose Powder to set my face. But before you start applying, make sure that there is no creasing under your eyes. If there is, start by blending it again, making sure that it's nice and even and it's smooth. Then you can start applying the powder in your face. I'm sure you're asking why you need to put powder on your face, but actually setting your face makes your makeup look last longer. So if you want to look good all day, you need to start setting your face. I then apply a concealer on my upper eyelids after doing my eyebrows to cover my dark circles and to prepare for the eyeshadow that I will be putting. Then I start to blend the loose powder, pressing it in, making sure that it blends well with the concealer and the foundation. Guys, don't be scared if you think you look a little pale, because you are supposed to look pale after the loose powder, but we will correct that paleness with a pressed powder, so don't be scared. Press the powder in those eyes, girls. They gotta look good. I'll be using the Smudge almond powder to sweep away any loose powder and also to give my face some color, because I don't want to be going out there looking like I'm dead, guys. No, we cannot. The powder will help with toning down the whiteness of the loose powder, and the almond powder is the perfect color for me. So do make sure that you choose a color that is the right tone for you. Then we move to the eyes, where I start applying a whitish eyeshadow to make my eyebrows pop more. So you do the exact thing on the other eye. Start applying that whitish eyeshadow to make that eyebrow pop. I then start applying a brownish eye color which has a natural look and start blending it all over my upper eyelids. I use a blending brush to apply and blend my eyeshadow. Then I will be using two types of gold. I will start with applying a rose gold eyeshadow from the very beginning of my eye on both eyes. When applying an eyeshadow, it is very important that you blend it well. Then I start applying a gold eyeshadow right in the middle of my eyelid, blending it together with the rose gold, but not touching the beginning of my eyelid where the rose gold starts. So this is just gonna start in the middle of my eyelid and going towards the end of my eyelid. And then basically do the same thing on the other eye as well. I love the fact that the gold eyeshadow makes the whole look just pop more. And then we blend everything together towards the end of my eyelid. I then start applying a dark gray eyeshadow to the corners of my eyes and start blending it together with the gold. I didn't use too much of the gray eyeshadow as I am trying to create a day look here, but you can feel free to intensify the color to what you prefer. So for instance, if you are going for a night look, then you're gonna have to make this a bit darker. This is a liquid eyeliner from Color Cosmetics. I will use this to create some nice wings on my eyes. I am currently so obsessed with wings, or some would call it cat eye. Guys, creating a wing is not the easiest thing to do, so please take your time and just be patient with yourself. I am not going to make my wing too thick or too long because I'm trying to create a day look, but you can feel free to make it as thick as you want and as long as you want. Then I'll be using a small brush with a bit of concealer to make sure that my wing is perfect. Then I apply some mascara. And then guys, I curl my lashes using an eyelash curler. My lashes are a bit insane, so I need an eyelash curler to get them in order. But I should have actually done this step before applying a mascara. So you guys do the right thing. Start curling before applying the mascara. Then to finish off with the eyes, I put on some lashes. If you guys don't like lashes, please skip this step. I will be doing a tutorial on how to apply false lashes, so you guys can be on the lookout for that. I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit to highlight my face. So I highlight the bridge of my nose and my forehead to give that natural glow look. Ladies, you can never wear too much highlighter, so apply away. Apply that highlighter, ladies, on your chin as well. Then I start by applying my Vaseline for basing my lips. And then after the Vaseline, I apply a naturally looking lipstick from Revlon. It's sort of pinkish. And then of course I seal off my look with a pink lip gloss. Then lastly, I spray a setting spray. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. From me, Lwando, it's been awesome. Mwah.